We are introducing the latest innovation from Silicondust, a TV solution that delivers all the top broadcast TV channels within your MDU property. Our state-of-the-art single server delivers seamless, high-quality broadcast TV to every door. Whether you own an apartment, high-rise, short-term stay, retirement, or dorm properties, Silicondust brings the best of over-the-air broadcast television to your residence. Experience unparalleled picture quality and a vast array of channels without the need for cable TV wiring or in-room equipment. Our innovative technology works over your existing internet network wiring to deliver to the smart TVs and devices your residents already use for streaming TV. With our easy-to-install all-in-one server, adding the Silicondust MDU solution to your properties has never been simpler. Say goodbye to complex wiring and support. Say hello to happy residents with instant app access to their favorite shows and channels.
Join the revolution in television technology. Choose Silicondust for your MDU and elevate your viewing experience.
Visit our website or contact us today to learn more. Silicondust, redefining TV for modern living.